Hello guys, welcome to my channel, my forex trading channel strategies where I share forex trading strategies. Welcome. I congratulate you and I'm excited to share with you a strategy today that I've proven for 6 months now. I've been using this strategy for 6 months and today I've decided to share with you, just to share with you. You can see how much I love you guys and I wish you the best, that this strategy it will really work for you like it has done, like I have proven it uh, for 6 months like how you said. Okay, so without wasting much time, we are going to go to our MT5. This strategy I use it for boom and crash only, not currency pairs or not any other indices, but boom and crash only. Okay, get it? Boom and crash only. And one thing that you need to understand when it comes to boom has got nothing to do with fundamental analysis where you need to listen to news, where you need to do what, but this one relies so much on technical analysis, 100% technical analysis. Okay guys, so let's go to our chart. Okay, this is our chart. This is boom 1000 index. Okay, as you can see, this is boom 1000 index. Okay, so since boom and the crash rely so much on technical analysis, so I'm going to share with you two powerful indicators that I use to scalp the boom and crash. All right, okay guys, please pay attention, and please, if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe. I'm yet to remove perfectly good profitable strategies on this channel, and I'll be also sharing some forex softwares that you can be using to be trading. I'll be sharing on this channel for free, just for free. See how much I love you guys. So let's go to our indicator window. The first indicator is Bollinger Band. The period supposed to be 18 and deviation 2.00, shift 0, apply to cross. Okay, the reason why it's already like this is because this indicator has been set on my chart. It's the one that I've been using, so no wonder it's not change. It's different from yours, the one which is on your chart. So please make sure period is 18 and cross there. Pixel, you can choose whatever pixels, whether 4 or 3, but I encourage use 2 pixels. Okay, then done. Our next indicator, you add our next indicator under Bill Williams is accelerator oscillator. Don't mix the two, the RSM and accelerator oscillator. So the one we are using is accelerator oscillator. Okay, so this one, don't tamper with it, just leave it in a default way. Just leave it just like that. Just press done. As you can see down here is showing down here. So now how does this strategy works? Okay, this is boom 1000 index, and this is one minute chart. So the first thing you need to is to identify whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, so now on boom 1000, you need to make sure that it's a downtrend. Why? Because our trading opportunities are sells, no buys. Okay, remember, we are not trading spikes here because uh, uh, because we want to follow the trend, and the spike, they oppose the trend. Okay, they oppose the trend. What I mean when I say a trend, I mean specifically on this strategy. Sometimes spike, they can follow the trend if it's an uptrend, but now I mean here. Okay guys, please get me right. Okay, so now how do we identify whether it's a downtrend? Because our opportunity is this trend to be a downtrend. So you open your chart, your 4-hour chart. Okay, you see, 4-hour chart, the last candle is supposed to be ready on 4-hour, and that's how you identify whether it's a downtrend. The candle supposed to be ready, and here we see it's ready, so we've identified it's a downtrend. Okay, then you go back to your 1-hour or your 1-minute chart. Then the next thing now is to identify the spikes. Okay, so your spike supposed to cross above the top line of Bollinger Band. Okay, your 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 the spike. Okay, you see, this is the spike. You've seen this candle, it has crossed above the line of Bollinger Band here. So the next thing now, you wait for the next candle to open. When this candle crosses, as you can see also, accelerator oscillation, you can see it's on top. So our second candle, you open a trade here. You open your trade, you see, you open your trade here, right here. You open your trade, sell trade. Okay, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you cross here. All right, you cross here. Why crossing here? uh our crossing is identified by Awesome Oscillator. You see, it has changed. It has changed now. It said it's down now. This time it was on top, and now it's changing, it's going down now. So this is an indication of you coming out of the market. Okay, it doesn't matter whether it's still going down, but this is your indication of coming out. Okay guys, let me show you another one. You see here another one. So it has crossed above the top line of Bollinger Band. Then you enter a trade here. You enter a trade, then you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell. Then here you cross your trade. Why? Because the oscillations here, here, they've changed the direction. They started going down. Then it's a sign of you coming out of the market. Okay, now let's look at a situation like this one here. Okay, guys, you see the spike crossed above the top line of Bollinger Band. You've seen. So let's say you entered a trade here. Okay, like I was mentioning here. Then you sell, you sell, you sell. So does it mean that here you are supposed to come out of the market? No, because the oscillation here, they are still confirming that it's still up. Okay, you can only come out of the market at a point like here. Okay, now for which you see here, you can come out of the market. Okay, but now let me tell you something. This one, it will act as your stop loss. Okay, but now if you want, you can leave the trade. You can leave your trade until it make some little profit, then you can come out. Why I'm saying so, and what gives me confidence of saying so? Check. Of course here it can be, of course here Okay, of course here is two up. Let's say you enter the trade here. Okay, then here is two up. See now the next, sorry, you've seen it went down. So definitely here you'd have come out of the market somewhere here. Somewhere here you can come out of the market. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is, sorry, so what I'm trying to say here is this. Okay, so if the spike closes above the Bollinger Band, and another spike comes and closes above the Bollinger Band, like this scenario here, you can still be opening a trade. Like you can open a trade here, you can open another trade here, then you can open another trade here. Definitely it will start going down anytime. Okay guys, that's if your capital at least is little bit big, but not on small account. On small account, avoid placing a lot of trades. Okay, it's better for you to come out of the market the moment when the oscillator they show that they've changed the direction here. All right, otherwise this strategy is 100% profitable. Okay, so so now when it comes to crash is opposite. Crash, you need to make sure that it's a is an uptrend. Why? Because it's crash one side and the spikes going down. So when this spike crosses uh down the line over down the line of the down line of Bollinger Band, yes, you can place your buy trade there. Okay, make sure you follow the steps like we did here on on boom 1000 index. Then crash 1000 is opposite to what we've talked about. Okay guys, then another advice, please avoid trading between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. Okay, because this time market movers they are preparing for a new day, so avoid. In fact, from 12 a.m. to 14 a.m. avoid trading using this strategy. Okay, because the market moves at random or goes at random. Okay guys, so this is the strategy that I wanted to share with you. Please test it in a demo and comment below, and um, I'll be available to answer any question in case you've got any question. And subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real forex data. I'll be sharing with you perfect forex trading strategy. Okay, guys, including softwares. I'll be sharing with you just here on this same channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Wish you the best. Looking forward to see your comments, looking forward to see you subscribing, so that you'll be a partaker of some of other secrets that I'll be revealing to you guys. Thank you so much.